Now I want to introduce to you guys, ladies and gentlemen, on the trumpet tonight, please make some noise for John on trumpet. Ladies and gentlemen, John. On tenor sax tonight, please show some love and appreciation for Dan on the tenor sax. Daniel. On the drums, ladies and gentlemen, laying down the vintage style drums like no other man can. Make your note to Miz on the drum kit, Miz. On the bass tonight we got Vic, ladies and gentlemen, Vic Saville. No relation to Jimmy, just it's a great bass player. And last but not least, ladies and gentlemen, please make some noise for the man on my left, ladies and gentlemen, on guitar, it's Jay Gibson on guitar. Okay, are you ready? I got a woman waiting over town. That's good for me. Say, I got a woman waiting over town. That's good for me. Oh, yeah. She feels the money when I'm in need. Every time. All crumbles, always treats me right. Never running in the streets, leaving me alone. This girl knows a woman's place. Right there now in my home, I got a woman.